Pixelmator Pro is a photo editing app, but did you know that you can use it to open and edit PDFs? Simply click Browse Files on your Mac and select your PDF file. Then you will get this Import PDF pop-up when you can decide on paper size. You can turn on and off some features like importing all of the elements on layers as it should be for editing. And a very handy one, import text as editable layers. And also you can switch this off if you got missing fonts. So for example, you got PDF from your bank and they got some fancy font that is missing in your system. This will not stop you from importing that PDF. You simply cannot edit those layers, but you can still open the PDF. You can put your signature on it and other stuff. But if you got all of the fonts, you can keep it on and then click Import. Take a look. My PDF is loaded, but the thing is, it was two-sided PDF. So if I now kind of zoom out, as you can see, that's the page 1 of this PDF. So this PDF got 2 pages and I end up with just page 1. Let's check that we can do editing. So this was a vector element from the original PDF. I can move it around. More than that, I can double tap on it. I can edit the vectors. So that's very nice. I can modify the color of it. Take a look. I got full control. How about the text? Can I modify the text? We can modify the text as well. And of course, I could put new elements here. So I can put my signature, my photo, and then save it back as a PDF. So how can I save it back as PDF? Simply click File, Export, and then we export this not as JPEG but as PDF here. And this way we managed to make modifications in the original PDF and save it back as PDF. That would be super helpful if you got some forms you want to fill in, you want to add signatures and modify the PDF itself. Alright, but what if we want to modify not only the front page but also the second one? In that case, I will need to point to the page number 2 while I'm importing the PDF. And now I got the second page loaded. So as you may notice, this is very powerful editor when I can edit everything here on my layer panel, but unfortunately it's suitable for like one-page documents like diplomas or the last page of contract when you want to put the signature on. So that's the limitation right now. It's pretty good in editing. As you can see, recognize text layers, recognize vector layers, but we cannot import multi-page documents to Pixelmator Pro. So that's the limitation here. So it would be very good if you got just one page in the PDF that you want to modify. Then you could use another software to easily merge this page back into the PDF. But right now, it's powerful, but limited to just one page of the PDF document. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.